why they are human beings?
Why? The answer is very simple. According to the Holy Quran, human beings are created to judge for themselves and decide between evil and good. Angels are created who only follow the good, and they have not given any chance. So there is no question of trial. In the case of angels, they are made only to believe and act according to Allah's will. But human beings have both possibilities, following evil and following bad. That is why they are rewarded for goodness and punished for their bad acts. So this is the purpose of creation, to define between good and evil first, and then put human beings to trial, so that if they stand up to the trial and become good, they are rewarded with goodness, and if they fail in the trial, they are put to punishment. Please announce that we'll take all the questions back to London, and there on television I'll answer these questions.
She is a representative of Mannheim and giving you a gift from Lord Mayor of Mannheim. He has said, peace be with the gathering, and we want to have...
Ich möchte Ihnen gerne unser bestes Stück, unseren Wasserturm.
This is a water tower. It is a water tower. There's water inside.
Right.
So
Now this you can take a picture of this if you like.
wunderbar. Laut.
Now you can make the announcement.
Ja. Der Kalif bittet nochmal mich, dass ich ansage, dass alle diese Fragen, die jetzt hier gekommen sind, mitgenommen werden nach London, und dort ist eine sehr fähige Übersetzerin, die die Fragen ins Urdu übertragen wird, und dann wird der Kalif alle diese Fragen beantworten in unserem Fernsehen, MTA. Und Sie können die Kassetten als Videoband dann bekommen.
Assalamu alaikum, Abu Bakr.
Kalif sagt auf Wiedersehen.
Bitte nehmen Sie wieder Platz. Die Veranstaltung ist noch nicht beendet.
Das ist von Bundespräsidenten.
Wir wollten Gelegenheit wahrnehmen.